What if you could start your day feeling more refreshed and energized with gentle seated stretches you can do in a chair? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and welcome to our 10-day Chair Yoga Challenge. If you're new here, this is a simple, safe program designed for those with stiff joints, limited mobility, or anyone who wants to create more ease in their body, all from the comfort of your chair. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this rejuvenating routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into shoulder shrugs. Lift your shoulders up towards your ears and release, relaxing. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, noticing how your exhalations begin to ease away any tension. Moving into shoulder rolls, lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, gradually increasing your range of motion. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle neck stretch. Sitting tall, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder. Reach your right hand across your body, placing it to your left shoulder. Keeping your shoulders down and back, feeling a gentle stretch through the left side of your neck, all the way down into your left shoulder. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder. Reach your left hand across your body, placing it to your right shoulder, keeping your shoulders down and back, feeling a gentle stretch through the right side of your neck, all the way down into your right shoulder. Release and return to center. Moving into one more neck stretch variation. Place your hands one on top of the other, lightly pressing below your neck. Alternate gently looking up, lifting through your chin, and drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue moving at your own pace, moving slowly and gently, giving your muscles time to relax into this stretch. Release and return to center. Moving into a gentle neck rotation. Sitting tall, gently turn your head to look out over your right shoulder and left. Continue rotating right and left, allowing this movement to originate from the space between your shoulder blades, keeping your spine and neck long. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated knee raise march. With your hands to your thighs, begin to alternate lifting your legs from right to left. Continue with this movement, keeping your spine long, lightly lifting through your lower belly, squeezing and contracting your leg muscles at the top of the movement, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while increasing circulation. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, begin to lift and lower through your heels, waking up the energy of your feet. Continue with this movement as you lift through your heels, press down through the balls of your feet, feeling a gentle stretch through the soles of your feet, toes, and ankles. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, lift your right leg, adding ankle rotations. Feel the circulation flowing through the top of your foot, sole, and ankle as you switch directions. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Lift your left leg, adding ankle rotations. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and return to center, moving into an alternate leg extension variation. Sitting tall, begin to alternate extending one leg forward, flexing through your heel. Continue with this movement, feeling a gentle stretch through your hamstrings and calf muscles while increasing circulation. Release and return to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, and with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Pausing at center with your hands to your thighs, moving into a seated twist variation. Begin to gently rotate from right to left, moving from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Release and return to center, moving into a one-legged seated forward bend variation. Extend your right leg forward, flexing through your right heel. Place your hands to your left thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, keeping your core engaged and your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases. Stay connected to your breath as you lift your torso to upright and release, repeating on the opposite side. Extend your left leg forward, flexing through your left heel. Place your hands to your right thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling your mind calm, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle hip opener. Cross your right leg over your left. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip and low back. Lift your torso to upright and release, repeating on the opposite side. Cross your left leg over your right. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your low back and left outer hip. Release and return to center, moving into a lateral stretch variation. Sitting tall, reach your left hand to your right leg and reach your right arm up and over to the left, taking a few slow, deep breaths here, breathing wide into your right side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Reach your right hand to your left leg and your left arm up and over to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips, breathing wide into your left side body. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. Take a moment to notice how your body feels. Maybe you're sitting a little taller, feeling more energized, refreshed, and ready for your day. If you're loving this challenge and want the full program organized and easy to follow, head on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can find this series plus hundreds of more sessions for every level. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.